Foldable 4-in-1 wireless charger. The appearance is simple and fashionable. Available in a variety of colors. Equipped with color lighting design. 2 fixed angles, suitable for Bluetooth headset, Apple Watch, mobile phone and other devices wireless charging. Compatible with all Android and iOS phones, foldable watch stand, iWatch iOS upgrade is not affected. Touch the night light switch to adjust the different color light mode. Colorful lights make your evening warm and fun. You can choose it from 5 color looks. Such a cool product, let's start enjoying it. 3-in-1 wireless charger, the ultimate wireless charging solution, it makes your life easier. We use high-power charging chips, support QC 3.0 high-power charging adapter. The multifunctional folding design saves you more space. The compact size is very portable and you can take it anywhere. It can charge the iPhone, iWatch and AirPods at the same time. Night light mode is a cool feature. Press it to make you sleep more comfortably. It can be charged horizontally or vertically. You can chat while charging, watch a movie, or hold a video conference. Such a cool product, let's start enjoying it.